I've made green beans from a can and they taste homegrown. I'll put that video in the link. They turned out fabulous. Now I'm going to try and see if we can make potatoes from a can taste fabulous. So Frannie Jo with Savvy Sweet, she has a potato casserole that she says is out of this world. So that's what we're making today. Okay, you'll need about 2 to 3 cans of potatoes, just depending on how large of a casserole dish that you use. And the first thing we do is drain all the juice off of your potatoes. And then we're going to pour the potatoes out onto a cookie sheet with paper towels. And we're going to kind of spread them out. And we're going to put another paper towel on top and just kind of soak up all of the excess water. We just kind of pat them dry. Now what we're going to do is just line our pan, our casserole dish, with our sliced potatoes. Okay, now we actually stand them up like this. Easier said than done. That was 2 cans. I'm gonna use another can. And this is kind of a small casserole dish, and it's gonna take me 3 of the cans. So I didn't quite use all of the potatoes. Now you'll need 1 medium onion. Just kind of like cut some slices. Okay, we're just going to kind of cut some of these in half. Take this little onion. I think these pieces are too big. And then we stick it down between, like every few potatoes. We're just going to kind of push them down in there. Wish they were all this size. They're not. No, she didn't do the center. We're going to do something else with that. Okay, now we have that done. Now I'm going to slice up this onion and we're going to saute these. So what we're going to do first, we're going to heat up some bacon bits. Get real bacon bits, or of course you can fry your own, and then chop it up. Heat them up a little bit. I took the easy way. We're going to take a couple of tablespoons of butter. Got that pan really hot. And with that little bit of bacon grease, it didn't make much. We're going to saute our onions in that. Going to add a little salt and pepper. These are starting to look pretty good, nice and soft. And then we add the bacon back in. Just to kind of let it heat up together. Well, that looks marvelous. Okay. Now we're just going to add the onions and bacon on top of the potatoes. Okay. Now we're just going to spoon this on top. That looks wonderful. I think that's enough. I have plenty. Now we bake this at 350 for 45 minutes. In the oven it goes. Mmm, smells good. Okay, out of the oven, and the last couple of steps that we do, we melt 2 tablespoons of butter and we just pour this over the top. Okay, and we add a little salt and pepper. Okay, the moment of truth. Did we make canned potatoes taste like fresh potatoes? Mmm. Mm-hmm. Tastes like regular potatoes. Mmm. Quite tasty. Well, I think we did it. It would be excellent if you add a little sour cream, or if you don't like sour cream, a little ketchup. But yeah, I mean, I think these turned out pretty good for canned potatoes. It's a nice side dish. A nice little something different. I think these turned out pretty good. I would make this as a side dish. Thanks, you guys, for joining me on Recreate the Plate. Hey, if you haven't already, how about like and subscribe?